Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. I guess in all fairness, I just, had a whim. I made up a quick video on a trade not to take. So I'm going to give you an example of a trade to take as an educational idea. Again, this is strictly educational. You decide on your own. This is not meant for any one particular person. But this is an idea that fits my rules and my plan for Trend Following Mentor. Trend Following Mentor is a site that I built in order to help traders learn how to trade. I've been helped along the way. I've had mentors that, actually one learned under Ed Sakota and Van Tharp, and another one actually been trend following since 1979. And it took me a while to internalize all the things that they taught me, but finally I got it, and I've been actually trading for a living for the last 18 years, and I want to help you. I want to say this: trend following is not easy, that you're going to have many trades that don't work, that you're going to have periods of time, long periods of time at times, where you don't make money. But it's a marathon, and over time, if you can get through these periods and have the mental fortitude, you stand the potential of compounding money. My goal is to help you to become a consistent trader. So I'm going to do a short piece right now. Oh, before I say that also, I invite you, you can come to my website, you can download, it's a free 40-page report on trend following. It tells you really the realities of trend following. Nothing sugar-coated. It's the realities. It's what to expect when you're trend following. And again, it's all free. And I'm here to help you and try to learn about trend following. I'm going to give you a quick example. Actually, this is a stock, Michael Kors. I would never have known Michael Kors except for before it even hit the IBD 50, my daughter wanted one of their watches. And it seems that it's some kind of a fashion company that really I don't know anything about. And I'll tell you the truth, it doesn't really have any matter in this. I don't look at things fundamentally. I don't fall in love with stocks or commodities or currencies. I want to buy the strongest. I want to sell the weakest. And you can see this is a new IPO, whatever. It came out, and this thing has gone up from the low 20s. It's a two-bagger. It doubled almost. But in every stock, you always are going to have, or every commodity or currency, no matter how strong the uptrend is, you're going to have pullbacks. So I have two methodologies, and I teach. One is a trend breakout, and the other is a trend retracement. And actually, this is just very simple to see. You hit these. You had a big gap up here, and then you have 3 days in a row pullback. All you have to do is you make sure it fits all the rules which I teach you as far as a trend retracement, and then you buy the breakout and see what happens. Well, in this case, you had a nice little run up again. You would have gone in from the let's say low 40-ish range up to now we're at after this other pullback, 46. But what is interesting, what caught my eye over the weekend is, guess what? We're in another pullback. Very simple idea. You have to trade with a plan. The plan tells you what exactly to buy. You want to buy the strongest. You want to put on a low-risk bet. You want to make sure that it's not correlated. You want to look at your open trade equity. There's a whole checklist or conveyor belt of ideas in which we confirm, and then we try to take a low-risk trade and see what happens. And then we follow it if it works. But this is an example of possibly of a trend retracement trade. I don't know the future. I don't really, I don't want to speculate. It looks to be as a possible low-risk bet. But again, this is what I want to teach you in trendfollowingmentor.com, how to trade for a living, what I've done for the last 18 years. Again, this is not get rich quick. This is not a 80-90% win rate. You're going to have plenty of small losses. You're going to have periods you don't make money. You're going to have rare times you're going to have some big moves and make a lot of money. But that's not the norm. These are rare cases. I invite you to come to the course. I'm here to help you. You can shoot me an email. You can call me. Well, actually, just don't call me because usually I'm on the phone from one call to the next. The best is to shoot me an email, and I can discuss with you, where you struggled, where you're trading, you've had some issues, and hopefully to get you, on the right track. And again, send me an email. Let me know how I can help you. We can schedule a time. We can talk over the phone. I can talk to pretty much anyone over the world. We have Skype. And again, I'm here to help you and to help you compound your money over long periods of time. I just want to say one more thing. You have a choice. You can do what I did. Let me just move this down. Excuse me. You basically can do what I did and kind of bumble your way through this for years, which I did, and probably a lot of people you did, even though I had help. Or you can have me here, and as I say, your choice, because I really do believe it's your choice. You can pick up scraps of information here and there, even from many different websites or even my blog. I mean, I'm pretty much trying to give you free educational information. Or you can actually have me as your mentor, and you can skip the almost 2 decades of a learning curve that I did, and you have me here to help you. You have my material. I will have a book published soon with a major publisher, which is super cool. I've signed the contract. I'm waiting to get the signed contract back from them. And then I look forward to teaching you. And let me know how I can help you. Thank you. This is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor.
you.